Hey guys, how's it going? How to use eye tracking on iPhone. iPhone or Apple presented us with a new update. And that new update can allow you to use eye tracking on iPhone. So if you're using iPad Pro M4 or iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th generation and later, or iPad Pro 11-inch 3rd generation and later, iPad 10th generation or iPad Air M2 or iPad Air 3rd generation and later, iPad Mini iPhone 12 and later, or iPhone SE 3rd gen. All right. So if you're using one of these devices, that means the eye tracking will be available in your device. So let's walk through the steps. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the settings, right? And before we do anything, go ahead to the general and then go ahead to the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version so you can get an access to the newest features. So I'm gonna go back to my main settings. Scroll a little bit down to the accessibility, right? Scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see right here, I don't have the feature yet. So basically, if you have the feature, just go ahead into the physical. Let me scroll physical and motor, and you're gonna be able to see an option for eye tracking. Just click on it and just enable it by enabling eye tracking. Just so you know, the eye tracking feature is mainly new, so you need to actually they need to actually work on it, and probably there's gonna be a lot of mistakes there. So after you enable it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to just follow the prompts, so you can confirm that you can move the let's say for example the dot in the screen. For example, this is like a test, so they will practice on your eye movement, so they can know how to move from one app to another app, or one option to another option. And after you follow the prompts, you're going to be able to basically enable the eye tracking, and then you're going to be able to move through the options and test it out. All right, so let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.